Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And today we have here coming from llano. This is a multifunctional 5-slot card reader. Very nice. Kind of looks like a old school camera, but digital. Ooh, plug and play USB 3.0. Multifunctional. So we shall cut it open. There we go. I think there might be two sides. Nope, we got it. Here it is. So definitely, if you're interested, make sure you click that link and hit the like and subscribe. Much appreciated. Here we go. Drop your guys low to the flow. And now it's showtime. Something in here. USB charging cable or power cable. Yep. And we get a little USB. This is iPhone. Right there. USB. Bam. Of course, you get the manual. Bam. Design. Oh, design for cameras. Card reader. Whoa. We got SD, MS, TF, CF. Look at that. It's not even heavy. It's pretty cool. I think I got a camera. Definitely a nice one. We'll be back. Alright guys, we are down in my new area. Got the camera out. Popped the memory card right here. This thing is super fast, guys. It all depends on what size your memory card is. Put in an adapter. I got a couple different ones I found. But this thing, it doesn't get hot. It is super lightweight. Great for any photographers out here doing their social medias or businesses. It lights up blue when it's powered on. And once you put your memory card there, it's going to read it really fast, as you can see right there. Well, like I said, it all depends on your size memory card. It might take a little bit longer, but for the size I have, it is done. So definitely check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. But, I mean, it's super easy. And plus, how many photos you have on your memory, too. So, there you go. It shows all the lights linked up. And you're good to go. So, check them out. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.